my name is Ariana from Mobility Plus North Scottsdale, and thank you for purchasing the 3-wheel Revo. Today I will be showing you how to charge your scooter. You should have gotten this charger with your purchase, and I'm going to show you the two different sides of the charger. So we have the first end, which is a 3-pronged plug that plugs directly into your scooter, and then we have the other end, which is a 3-pronged plug that plugs directly into your wall outlet. Any standard outlet will work. So let's begin. First, you're going to take the scooter end of the plug and you're going to plug it right below the steering wheel on the left side of the scooter. Next, you're going to take the wall end of your charger and plug it right into your wall outlet. And you're good to go. Something that's important to note about this scooter is that you can take this right battery box out and you can plug this part of the plug from the scooter directly into that, and in doing so you can charge just the battery box by itself, and then you don't have to bring in your scooter into your house or wherever you want to go if you just want to kind of conserve space and plug it directly into that battery box, and I'll show you how to do that. You're going to pull up this flap and just insert that plug right in there, and it'll charge the battery box. And again, you can take the battery box out if you need. Something that's important to note about your scooter is your charging box. So on the top here we have a red light, and this just basically means that there's power going into the charging box. So we want this to be lit. The bottom light is either going to be red, blinking green, or solid green. If it's red, it means it needs a charge. If it's green, it means it's fully charged and ready to go. And if it's blinking green, that means it's doing a trickle charge. And a trickle charge just means it needs a little bit of topping off as far as energy goes. Lastly, it's important to note that you should not leave your scooter charging for more than overnight. This can expand the battery and cause a lot of problems and damage to the batteries, causing you to have to replace them more regularly. So just make sure that you charge your scooter only overnight, no longer, and unplug it in the morning, and you should be ready to go. We also recommend that you do this just once a week. If you use your scooter more often and it needs a charge, feel free to charge more than once a week. But if you are just letting your scooter sit or you haven't used it in a couple days, remember to charge it at least once a week overnight and no longer. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy your scooter.